guys, welcome to my channel The Productive Girl. Today let's review the new Botanical Story 2022 planner. Let's get started. Outer package came neatly in a cardboard box and everything is bubble wrapped and came in safely. This planner is available on Happy Vegan. While I was ordering this, they had this combo offer of lot of goodies. So first let's see other things that have came along with the planner and then we can see the planner. First thing is this 3 sticker sheets. It has floral designs and birds in it. We have this pocket notebook which has a bird design on it, and it says this notebook belongs to, and it has a lot of pages in it to fill in. It is ideal to carry on the go while we are traveling. Next thing is this hardcover notebook. The brand Happy Vegan. It's hardbound notebook, 80 GSM paper, and it has 160 pages, and it has the same this notebook belongs to page, and then we have 160 pages, and the paper quality is quite nice. I really like it. This notebook also has a back pocket. In the back pocket, we have a bookmark as well. We do also have this elastic closure. So this is the third thing. Next, we have the Botanical Story calendar for 2022. And this is our desk calendar. And this is how the January page looks like. So we have a picture. Then we have like 5 lines for each month so that we can write any meetings, appointments, like important stuff. We can't write a lot obviously. Then we have the monthly calendar layout over here. So this is same for every month. So this is our desk calendar. Then we have sticker book. So it's by the brand Happy Vegan itself. It looks so amazing. A lot of stickers in it. So let's quickly run through all the stickers. So this is our sticker book. I feel like this offer is worth the money. It's time to flip through this beauty. First of all, the cover page is so very good. I love this totally, and we have the 2022 over here, and we have this golden elastic band which is so good and it matches with the vibe so well. Spiral binding quality is also so good. I like this planner already. So first, when we flip, we have this planner belongs to page wherein we can write our name. And as you can see, this is a small planner. So if you're someone who doesn't like huge planners, then you can definitely go for this. It's very small and you can carry it in your handbag as well. Then we have this quote which says, remember, it takes as much energy to wish as it does to plan. Then we have 2022 at a glance. We have a total overall overview of 2022 calendar. Then we have special dates and occasions and notes to self. Then we have goals for 2022 and vision for 2022. So here we can use as space for a vision board and we can write our goals over here. We can pretty much write 6 to 10 goals also if you write it small. Next we have set milestones for the year, which I think pretty unique. We can set milestone for each month, like what we want to achieve for each month. Like if I want to give you guys an idea, if you write some goal in this goals page, you can set a deadline for it and just mention at which month you want to achieve that specific date as well. The more specific your goal is, the more chances you will achieve it. It's a nice thing. Next we have, if you can dream it, you can do it quote, and then our January layout start. We have the monthly calendar and a little note section over here if you want to write any notes, and we have goals for the month. You can break down your yearly 2022 goals into what you want to do for that goal in January in this goals for the month section. And we have vision for the month. Vision is basically a bird's eye view, like a overall picture, like what your month is going to be, what you want to achieve, whereas goals is something that's so specific and as a target to it. Having the vision for each and every month is also a great idea. Then we have reminders, top priorities, habits to adopt, habits to quit. This is also for every month. Then we have habit tracker, wherein we can track 4 habits at once. Then we have books to read, movies to watch. Next, this is a monthly expense tracker. We have 2 pages of it to track our expenses. Then we have the daily/weekly layout. This layout is really best for journaling or using it as a diary. For every day you can write 4 to 5 lines each day if you want, or you can even plan it as well. After the January ends, we have accomplishment, month end reflections, and plans for the next month. So this is like a monthly review. Then we have 2 sites for notes, just to brain dump, brainstorm, or just to use it as whatever. Then we come to the February month. So all the monthly layout will be similar. Let's just have a look at the codes and the design. So for February, we have kindness always comes back. For March, it is if you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. These illustrations are so very pretty. I really like the floral pattern. For April, it is through sun and rain, you will bloom all the same. For May, to plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. For June, your way is more important than your pace. For July, happiness looks heavenly in you. August, let the beauty of what you love be what you do. September, when you focus on the good gets better. For October, where flowers grow, so does hope. For November, follow your heart, be a dream chaser, stay wild. For December, nothing in nature blooms all year. Be patient with yourself. Let's see what is at the end of December. Okay, after the December reflection page, we have like 3 sides of notes. That's it. And we do have a back pocket, which is really cute with birds designs. This is the Botanical Story 2022 planner. My review is that I love this planner. If you watch the flip through and if you like the spreads, then you can check it out. I really like that it is both minimal and pretty as well. As I said, it is very good for travel buddies. I will provide the link in the description box below. What do you guys think about this planner? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a big like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I shall see you guys in my next video. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.